Hi friends, welcome to Namir Kids Science Lab. Hi friends and teachers, I am Namir. Good morning to all. I'm studying in second standard in Daily Public School. I'm going to present my science activity on the topic of interbody parts. Human brain. Human brain is located inside our head and it controls our eyes to see, our nose to smell, our tongue to taste, our ears to hear, and skin to feel. Emotions like happy and sad. This mortal brain is made of clay. It has several parts. Each part has its own functions. Let's start with the first one. Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is a small pea-sized gland that plays a major role in regulating body functions and gentle well-being. It is referred to as the body's master gland because it controls the activity of most other hormone secreting glands. Now brainstem. Brainstem is the stalk-like part. It actually connects the cerebrum into the spinal cord. It connects together by brainstem. It has three parts: midbrain, pons, and medulla. It regulates heart rate and blood pressure and respiration. Now spinal cord. Spinal cord is a long tube-like structure that starts at end of the brainstem and ends almost end of the spine. And it has bundle of nerve axons that carrying incoming and outgoing messages between the brain and rest of the body. Now hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is responsible for body balance. Without it, you will fall down over the place like this when we are riding a bicycle. Its important work is hormone production. And now cerebral cortex. Cerebral cortex is the largest part of the brain and is like a computer. When you get a problem, 2 plus 2, it will process give the answer, and this is like an information processing center. Wow! It is also responsible for high order brain functions such as memory. Now cerebellum. The cerebellum controls coordination and movement to the motor skills, especially for hands and feet. Now cerebrum. Cerebrum that controls senses like vision, hearing, and touch. And it regulates problem solving. Now you got a problem. You will think, judgment, speech, motion, and learning. Bye bye friends. Subscribe now. Thank you.